Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today to see what I am up to. I have my Ipsy Plus and this is my replacement bag. The first one I received was completely empty and I did open this to see what I got because I needed to email them. Not real happy with this one, honestly, but I'm just going to take everything out and I'll give you a little info on Ipsy Plus. It is $25 a month. Free shipping. I think I do pay tax. You get 5 full-size products. You get to customize 3 out of the 5 products in your bag. We get a cute little like little satchel type thing, and this is what it is for August. Kind of cute. I don't mind it. So I wanted to, I don't know how well you guys will be able to see this. I'm trying to put a tilt on this. This was the bag that I should have received. So in here was, I can't see, I don't know if that's Avant and Elemis are the items they choose. I chose eyeliners. I think the Florence Mills, I think that was the lash, was that lash? No, a tint, a brow gel. And then something that was from Neogen or something like that. That's not what is in my bag. Can't say that I'm thrilled with this, honestly. I will have to, you know, get prices and all that stuff after, you know, Ipsy Plus. I don't even have a card because this is a replacement bag. Not a really big deal. I think it was Wanderlust is the theme, but it looks like the items, and I don't even know. I'd have to go on the site and look, so I'm just going to start. I did seem to get the Elemis, which is fine. I love Elemis. This is Advanced Skincare Skin Buff Deep Cleansing Exfoliator. So I'm still happy that I was able to get this. This was an item that they chose for me. I did not pick this. Happy to have it, and I was happy to still get it. Let's put it that way. Sticky. Something sticky. Okay. The other item that a lot of things are sticky, I don't know why, that I chose is from Araceli, and this was their duo eyeliner, and it was bronze and olive. And I'm not going to swatch these because I did get these in PR, so I'm going to share these. So you get your 2 pencils, and then it came with a sharpener. So I'll share this. There's no reason for me to have 2. I think this is a cute little package, so I'll pop that in a giveaway. And then the other item that I did want, and I did also get it in my PR box, is from Florence by Mills, Tint and Tame Brow Gel. And this is in clear, which is fine. I don't know if that'll focus. I think I got clear before. I honestly don't remember. So this is what it looks like. So I'll keep this because I like stuff like this. I'm not angry at that. Then the other 2 items, which I didn't pick and not really thrilled, from Vasanti Brighten Up Miracle Mask 5-in-1. It's made with charcoal. I can't use products like these, and I'm not a fan. I would never pick this and would never want it. So this will go in a giveaway. Not happy about that. The other product I am very happy with, that I got it, so I'm not going to complain too much. Pixi by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer. I don't have their primer. So I'm excited to try it. I mean, I wasn't going to get it prior, but I am happy to have it. I've heard some good things. Trying to think if I saw this on Kelly Strack. I think that's where I did see it. I know she gets Pixi in PR, and I think I did see it on her channel. So I am interested to try it. I'm not, you know, the Vasanti I could probably do without. So that's a disappointment for me. You know, they did give me some extra points in my account, which, like I told them, I don't care about the points. To me, they're useless. They never have anything good in their reward store, if you want to call it like that, or anything good. You need 1,800 points. They gave me 600 points. I'm like, oh, what's that going to do for me? I did email them again that I was not happy with this bag this month. I am paying for this in total. I think with tax, it's $27. Is it worth it? Yes. I did get 4 products that are still good. I wanted to try the Neogen product, and, you know, now I can't because, you know, either somebody at the post office took my stuff or it just was never put in the bag, which I believe is the case. Just because the glue on these bags, where's the bag? Here, is so tight. Like, I have to cut these rather than pull these open. And when you open these, like, I can't even get it. When you open these, you can tell that they've been opened. And they don't, when you pull it, it doesn't have the same resistance. So that told me that this was never opened. My one that came empty. It just, the product was not put in. So once again, the customer loses, doesn't get what the customer wanted. And yeah, I'm like this with Ipsy on this bag. The first woman that I spoke to, her response was wonderful. The second one, not so much. So, you know, it really depends who you get when you hit customer service. I will go onto the Ipsy site and get the prices for all this stuff, and I will do a cost versus value at the end, like I always do. You know, am I angry? No, I get to share this with somebody in a giveaway, and these other products I'm excited for, and I will share this in a giveaway because I will not use it. I don't like masks like that. I prefer a face mask, or sometimes I can do the purple masks when it comes like this, not charcoal. It will dry my skin out horribly, and then I'm like a snake shedding skin for weeks, and I don't like that. It's so annoying, you know, like no matter how much I hydrate, I'm still peeling. It's just it just dries me out way too much. I'm already dry as it is, so I don't need the charcoal on my face. So I would say this is about an 80% good box, only because I'm happy with these items. Oops, these right here. So, like, you know, I'm not angry at Ipsy. I mean, but to ship a bag empty, you know, like, how stupid. You paid to ship a bag that was empty. I'm like, that's ridiculous. You know, I don't know. I don't know how any company could do that. I've never had it happen. And from a lot of responses I got from the video that showed the empty bag, like, you were like, what? An empty bag? Like, I've never had that happen in 3 years on any subscription. I get over 30 a month for 3 years. Never, ever, ever. So that's what has me annoyed with Ipsy. But overall, I'm happy with the items. And, you know, I'll just share 2 of them. It's not a big deal for me. I think I still got my money's worth. The Pixie is nice and the Elemis is nice. So, like I said, I'm happy to share a few products and keep a few. So tell me what you think of this one down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and your opinions. I hope you all have a nice day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.